IoT Internet of Thing Unit 4 Part 2 for RGPV Exam 2023 notes are in comment section. Explain XMPP. XMPP, Extensible Messaging in Presence Protocol, is an open standard protocol used for real-time messaging, presence information, and other communication applications. XMPP is designed to be extensible, allowing developers to add new features and functionality as needed. AMQP, Advanced Message Queuing Protocol, is a messaging protocol that provides a way for applications to exchange messages in a reliable, secure, and interoperable manner. AMQP is designed to be transport agnostic, meaning that it can be used over a variety of transport protocols such as TCP, SSL, TLS, or WebSocket. AMQP has several key features, including 1. Routing. AMQP supports flexible routing of messages between producers and consumers, using a variety of routing rules and patterns. 2. Reliability. AMQP provides guaranteed message delivery, even in the event of network failures or other disruptions. 3. Security. AMQP supports a range of security features such as message encryption and authentication, to ensure that messages are delivered only to authorized recipients. 4. Interoperability. AMQP is designed to be interoperable across different programming languages and platforms, making it easy to integrate with existing systems and applications. AMQP is composed of several components, including 1. Producers. These are applications or devices that generate messages to be sent over the network. 2. Consumers. These are applications or devices that receive messages sent by producers. 3. Brokers. These are intermediary servers that route messages between producers and consumers, based on routing rules and patterns. 4. Exchanges. These are logical entities that receive messages from producers and route them to queues or other exchanges based on routing rules. 5. Queues. These are storage locations for messages that are waiting to be consumed by consumers. AMQP messages are organized into frames, with each frame containing a specific type of information. AMQP defines several types of frames, including 1. Protocol header. This frame identifies the AMQP protocol version and capabilities supported by the sender. 2. Connection frame. This frame is used to establish a connection between a producer or consumer and a broker. 3. Channel frame. This frame is used to establish a channel for communication between a producer or consumer and a broker. 4. Message frame. This frame contains the actual message content being sent over the network. Overall, AMQP is a popular protocol for enterprise messaging and IoT applications because of its reliability, security, and interoperability. It is widely used for applications such as financial services, healthcare, and transportation.